Hello everyone. So in this video we are looking at another question from our arrays section. Now this question is given in a twisted language, which is good because in the future we might see more such questions based on this kind of language, and it will get easier for us in the future to understand the question. Okay, so let's get started. So the question says there are n kids with candies, and you are given an integer array candies where each candies of I represents the number of candies the ith kid has. Okay, so where is that? 2, 3, 5 and 3. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 1 and 3. Okay, so we have this. So the 0th kid has 2 candies, the first kid has 3 candies, second kid has 5, third kid has 1, and fourth kid has 3. Okay, yeah, number of candies ith kid has, and an integer extra candies. Now we are also given an integer extra candies that is equals to 3 in this case. Denoting the number of extra candies that you have. Return a boolean array result of length n where result of I is true. Okay, if after giving the ith kid all the extra, sorry about that tone, after giving the ith kid all the extra candies, they will have the greatest number of candies among all the kids. So basically what they are trying to say is, if I give the extra candy to, let's say, the 0th kid, so 3 plus 2, so 0th kid will have 5 candies now. Now is it greatest among all the kids? Basically yes, because although the question says is you have to find the greatest, but you have to take care of greater than or equal to. So 5 is greater than or equal to all the candies, so it is true. Now this question is basically divided into 2 parts. Okay, so first part is we will find our current max, that is what is the maximum as of now at this stage. Okay, without doing any changes to the array, what is the maximum? Okay, and the second step, we will go through the array and we will add our extra candy to our ith kid and we will compare it with our current max. Okay, if it is greater than or equal to our current max, we will add true, otherwise we will add false. Okay, so let's get started with the code. That's it for the explanation. So first thing is we need to find our current max. As of now it's 0. Okay, we'll go through our candies. Now I am using for each loop. If you don't know what is for each loop, please learn the syntax. It is basically nothing but simple for loop. Okay, but instead of accessing the elements using candies of I and I plus 1, you can directly access the elements by simply the integer I. Okay, or the whatever the integer that you have used. Okay, is that simple? Now current max, that will be equals to max of current max and I. So at each index it will compare current max and I, and it will assign the greater to the current max. So after this stage we have our maximum. Now we need a vector of boolean. Okay, vector of boolean data type. So we'll create that, an array of boolean data type. Let's say it as result equals to sorry, not equals to, yeah, this will be the size of our candies. Okay, now yeah, so back to our second step. The second step says is we'll go through the array. Okay, so again another for loop. This time I won't be using the for each loop. Okay, not this one. Yeah. Okay, now we check if the candies that the ith kid has plus extra candies, is that greater than or equal to current max? If it is, then our result becomes true, else our result is false. Okay, and at the end we'll return our not the candies array, our result. Okay, let's submit this. This is taking longer than expected. Yeah, just let's wait. Yeah, so I think my screen is back and we are good with the result. And so I think that's it for this video. And you must get used to with this kind of language where they are asking in a complicated manner. Okay, the more you solve, the more you will get used to this. Let me know if you have any other suggestions for me to solve from any other different platform. Okay, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.